Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or should I say welcome back. So I've decided I'll be exploring some natural hair growth remedies, and I'll be giving you guys my personal feedback on these DIYs. So today I'll be showing you guys how to use papaya leaf for turning your white hair to black. So if it's your first time here, please, I would like it if you could consider just to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so based on research, papaya leaf has demonstrated antifungal properties in test studies, so it's often thought to support hair and scalp health by inhibiting the growth of dandruff-causing fungus. Now, it is an important ingredient used in anti-dandruff shampoos because of its carpene compound. This alkaloid component is effective in removing dirt and oil from your scalp, and thus also darkening your hair black. So let's get into how I prepare this. So the first ingredient that you need is the papaya leaf. Now what I'll be doing now is just to cut off the stem from it, as I do not want those to be in it. I've seen some persons use it, but I rather not to use it. Okay, so after you have cut these off, what I'm going to do is I'm going to wash these leaves thoroughly. Now you can wash these leaves any amount of time you want, but I would recommend to wash them at least 2 to 3 times, or any time more than that, because these leaves are generally dirty. Once these leaves are properly washed, you can start to cut them up and to add them to your blender by adding some water. Then I'll come back to you guys. Okay guys, so once this is finished blended, you're going to grab a cheesecloth or any cloth that you can find that can help you to strain out the particles from the juice. So I'm just using this cloth right here that I found very handy, and I'm just going to pour it into it, and then I'm just going to squeeze out the juice from the mixture. Okay guys, once you have extracted the juice from the blend, then you're going to add some of your favorite oils to it. This oil blend I have in this container is consist of castor oil, tea tree oil, and coconut oil. But you can use any carrier oil that you need, or you can just use it just to see. I like to add oils to my ingredient just to help it to keep my hair moisturized. So basically this is almost the end of the video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and also to comment down below if there's anything that you like me to try and give you my feedback on. Thank you guys for watching.